Hi friends, it's Stacy at Florida Life Real Estate Agency and Mobile Home Sales. I'd like to show you around this home today, so let's get to it. This home is located in Bayshore Windmill Village. It's 603 63rd Avenue West. This is lot C-9 in Bradenton, Florida. For pricing and full information on this home, please see the description under the title below. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to be notified for future videos. This is a large corner lot with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It has 1,272 square feet. This is a 1969 updated home with vinyl siding. You can see the carport is plenty large for 2 cars. We have all new vinyl windows throughout the home and including the lanai. There's a large open kitchen with eat-in dining. This home is being offered fully turnkey furnished. All kitchen appliances remain with the home. As you can see there, I believe the dishwasher's never been used. There's lots of cabinet space, including the 2 nice deep pantries. It's a roomy dining room, living room combination. 2 nice, bright, sunny bay style windows on the front of the home. Off the living room is a nice large lanai with newly enclosed vinyl windows. There's additional storage in this hall closet. All bedrooms are in the rear of the home, starting here with the primary suite with ensuite bathroom. Again, we have the bay style windows, and there is built-in 2 closets and a chest of drawers. And we have our ensuite bathroom here with some updates to the walk-in shower. And this is your second bedroom, again with the bay style windows and built-in dresser with closets. The guest bathroom has the updated walk-in shower as well. And the third bedroom is currently being used as a TV room, but does have a full-size closet and opens onto the lanai. Outside, you'll see our first shed with laundry facilities. And on the rear of the home is a new 10 by 12 storage shed with electricity run to it. The air conditioning system is in good shape and has been properly maintained. And very nice landscaping around the entire perimeter of the home. Bayshore Windmill Village is a gated 55 plus community that is pet friendly. They're actually taking 45 plus age groups now for a limited time. They offer a clubhouse with lots of social activities, a swimming pool, pickleball, shuffleboard, and lots of friends and fun. Thanks again for checking out this Florida Life listing. If you have any questions about this home or others that might be available, feel free to give me a call or text at 941-809-1318. Again, it's 941-809-1318. I'm always happy to set up a personalized search for you to find just the right home for you. And if you're thinking about listing your home, Florida Life can help you with all your real estate needs, including manufactured housing in land lease parks. I'd love to hear from you. Once again, our phone number is 941-809-1318. You can also find us on the web at floridaliferealestateagency.com or floridalifemobilehomesales.com. No matter how you find us, I'll be happy that you did. Have a great day And I hope to talk to you soon. Bye for now. For full information and pricing, see the details under the title below. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to be notified for future videos.